On June 25th, 2022, the Storm Prediction Center ended up issuing a broad slight risk region across portions of Illinois, Missouri, and Iowa. This would be driven by the threat of damaging wind gusts, as a 15% chance of damaging winds was issued, along with a 5% hail chance. Isolated hail and scattered damaging winds were expected, with a cluster of storms to move across the region. At 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm watch was issued across portions of west central Illinois, northeast Missouri, and southeast Iowa. This would go in effect until midnight. The primary hazards were going to be isolated significant damaging wind gusts up to 75 mph and isolated very large hail up to 2 inches in diameter, although a tornado or two would also be possible. A few hours after this, I would find myself about to hit the road as a severe warning storm headed toward my chase target in the southern part of my county. At this point, we are now getting ready for the chase. Here are a couple of the clips and a radar image of that, along with some background music.
Alright, it's like just after 9 o'clock. We are about to hit the road. We're going to chase this storm right here. It's severe warning. We're going to go south a bit, intercept it. It's got a lot of lightning. There's another storm with a bunch of lightning over here. And then there was a dissipating storm over here. Might have been an LP soup, I'm not sure. Hopefully we get some good stuff. Whew.
This video shows you the constant lightning that you would see throughout the storm. Now we are intercepting the storm. As you can see in this video, there's constant lightning and a really good shelf cloud.
There's cloud to cloud, isn't it? Yeah, but I've seen some cloud to ground. Oh my gosh.
At this point, the shelf cloud is pretty much near us, and now the severe storm is going to roll over us.
Oh my god, that's a huge shelf cloud. Holy crap. Oh. Oh. That is one of the best shelf clouds I've ever seen. Oh my god. Jesus.
Now we are about to feel the wrath of the severe warm storm, as its 50 to 60 estimated wind gusts from these upcoming clips will show you. And small hail as well, along with very heavy rain at times. Constant lightning was also a big theme with this storm, as that was one of the highlights.
No, it's just wind.
Yeah, there's some crazy wind.
Oh my gosh, this one is crazy.
road.
It is?
It's a stick, but it was blowing across the road.
Oh yeah, here comes the rain. You can see the shelf cloud right there now. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That wind is crazy.
Now I'm starting to enter town. Heavy winds are still ongoing, though they have lightened a little bit. Small hail potentially was happening at the time, just constant lightning and just heavy rainfall. I'm going to show my favorite photos of the shelf cloud that I got, and also that possible wall cloud as well. Now I'm going to show you some videos that I got off my phone of the lightning, the shelf cloud, and various other features of the storm.
Yeah, home's gonna get hit. Oh my god. There might be severe gusts. Oh my gosh, it's a huge shelf. This lightning is like crazy. It's just south.
I also saw a lot of very cool lightning when I get home, and I'll share a couple of the videos from that as well. Is my trip based off the Highways and Hailstones website. They also have a mobile app. Make sure you download it and check it out. It's amazing for storm chases. You can check out my chases and other people's chases. It also has a tornado web archive as well. Alright, that'll do it for this storm chase video. If you liked what you saw, like, and if you have any suggestions for next time for this video, please comment, because I am wanting to see your guys' suggestions, as this is my second time doing a video like this.